Hi guys, this week we're working on short U and long U. So you can see at the top we have our short U that follows the CVC pattern. Then we have our long U, which has three different ways that it's pronounced, three different patterns. Again, we have our CVC with the long E. Then we have our double vowels together that make the U sound, like a UI together, because remember, when you have two vowels that are together, the first one does the talking while the second does the walking. And then, this is my favorite, you guys remember, the CVVC, the ooh, I'm telling on you. And then remember, as always, part of your reflection to get your credit for this is what is your oddball, okay? So let's work on this together, and then I'll give you the rest to do on your own. So let's start with our first word, cube. So I'm looking at cube. I'm coming back up to my patterns, my word patterns for each column, and I'm going to look, and I see that there's an E at the end. Oh, so automatically this must be a long U because it has the E. It follows the C consonant, U vowel, B consonant, and then this silent E at the end. So I'm thinking cube. And I hear the U, definitely a long vowel. Yay, I'm right. Okay, let's come again. Oh, look. Remember how I got the hint up here with the ooh, I'm telling on you? Let's listen to this word. We have smooth. Yep, that definitely goes in the SM, C, vowel O, and then TH again. They combine together, that diphthong, for the long U sound. Awesome. Okay, now let's see. Oh, look, I found suit, a UI. Consonant, UI, vowel, consonant T. Yay! Right again. Okay. Then, if I come over to the word like bump, I'm not hearing the vowel. So where does that one go? Yep, that's a short U sound. Now your job is to find out which one is that oddball that doesn't fit into the way it sounds or the way it looks. I'm excited to hear your answers. Good luck, guys. Have fun.